place, and I got that towards the front of the vehicle, and now we're ready to do. You can see the rotor spinning.
Yeah.
So, just like that. Here's your pistons that I was telling you about right here. Pick that up and do the same thing, same exact thing. Get it all lined up, and then down into the bottom one, and then take the bottom two, let me see, out. Just like that. Do not let this hang down. Better. So what you're going to have to do is go back. Alright, next thing we do, guys, you know, the clips. Grab your clips. Well, it was turning, but then it stopped. That flat side got into there. And then you're going to get inside the car. And let me tell you.